Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Just want to make this quick update on Ripple. A lot of people are waiting patiently, for it to explode higher, and I don't think they'll have too long to wait. I think potentially next month, Ripple is going to explode higher, and you don't want to miss it. Um, I'll tell you a quick story. Last year, I was working on oil and gas, and I had a mate who turned $5,000 into $45,000 in IOTA. He took the $45,000 out and he put it into Ryblocks, which is now Nano. And Nano Ryblocks skyrocketed. I think it was 36 or 46 times his money. It went 36 or 46x. So it was 45,000 turned into something like 1.4 million. Now we were working in oil and gas at the time. I'd done a few months up there, and he was there, and we would go into work and come back half an hour later or an hour later to check on the crypto, and he would have made $30,000 in that space of time, and it was multiplying by the hundreds of thousands at times. It would just skyrocket, and I believe this bull market has already started, and we and everybody else can make these gains as well. I'm not saying everybody else has $45,000 to put into it, but some people do, some people don't. But you have to start somewhere, and I believe Ripple has the potential to. I'm not saying it can 10x. I believe Ripple can 10x at least in this bull market. So, if you have $10,000, that could potentially be $100,000, and from that $100,000, you can multiply. All you need then is a 1x, and then all of a sudden you have $200,000. So it's just getting that one opportunity right, and it can set you up, and then you can start making the big bucks. So I believe Ripple is basing down here, and I believe that in this bull market, and I think we are in the bull market right now, and I think this is going to 10x over time. By the end of this bull market, I believe Ripple will have 10x'd. I mean, all it has to do, not that it's a small feat or anything, but it has to just take out these highs, and that is a 10x. So I believe that is possible with the growing industry, with the ecosystem getting larger and larger, more institutions coming into the market. It's going to grow. There's going to be a lot of FOMO in this market if these coins live up to anywhere near their potential that everybody thinks they can have. So I think Ripple is a good accumulation point right now. It's at a good accumulation period here, and as we're breaking above all these daily moving averages and stuff, can we get a little bit of a dip? Yes, we probably can, but it's still a good accumulation point. This is after the whole bear market has been over. Um, who knows? Can Bitcoin roll back over? Anything's possible, of course, but in the long scheme of things, it's potentially a very good entry point. And if it did go lower, you could just buy lower and average down. But I know I don't like doing that. It's not the best strategy in the world. But I just believe that this is a potential entry point, and it can hold these moving averages and and start trending higher. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I expect out of Ripple in this bull market. I expect to 10x my money on Ripple. Now, will I make the $1.4 million like my mate? And if he's watching, look, hit us up in the comments if you're watching, and tell us how you're getting on. Tell us what coins you're in, and maybe the people in the section below would like to hear your story of how you made the 1.4 million. Anyway, I don't want this video to run too far on. We may need some consolidation here before breaking out, but this looks healthy. Look at the big volume down below and everything. I mean, it looks healthy. It just needs a bit of work and consolidation, and we can move to the upside. Now, I talked about the dip. The the thing is, we have this futures. My computer's running a bit slow here, but we have this futures dip. You can see the gap here. Sorry, the gap. We may need to fill that before going higher. And that is a likely scenario. Now, will it be this month or will it be next month? You know, I don't know. Or when will it be? I'm not sure. But the sooner we fill this dip, the better. Because then Bitcoin can safely go higher without the worry of it crashing down to fill this gap in the futures market. So if we can get this dip, if price comes down and rejects down around this area here, you know, I think this will be the perfect time to be buying maybe Ripple and some of the other coins. If we reject, now keep an eye on this level for it to reject. If we reject there, this should be a good area, you know, just for buying up some of these coins. You know, I think this is bullish on Ripple, again on a monthly chart, and I think this can open up and start moving higher. You know, I like this setup here. I think it's pretty good. Can we do that next month? It's very possible. If you're in our Discord group, we went through a few things with the market cap and the total market cap and stuff. And if you watch my previous videos, I've done videos on the total market cap and on Ripple and Ether, XLM, and loads of other ones. So there's good videos there to watch, and it talks about which coins have just entered in a bull market. So that's it, guys, for the video. Short and sweet. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to join us on our Discord, we have a lot of very intelligent traders and investors in there. We're very active every day in trading the markets, and hopefully we'll make life-changing gains in this bull run. So if you'd like to join us on there, please hit us up in the description below. That'll take you to our Facebook page, and just send us a message and we'll get you hooked up with that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.